I'm Hannah. I'm the owner of Camelot Window Cleaning. We are a locally family-owned and operated company that has been servicing the greater Nashville area for over 10 years. The Camelot window cleaning method is a step-by-step process that has been developed for over 10 years to produce superior results for our customers. If you have window screens, we will first remove all of the screens and wash them by hand by scrubbing both sides of the screen and cleaning the frame. We rinse them thoroughly before carefully putting them back in place. Did you know that almost 70% of dust and pollen that's blown in your home comes in through your windows? If your home has window screens, having them thoroughly cleaned along with your windows is very important because your screens act as a light filter for outside dust and allergens. Our estimates are always free. Be sure to check out our other videos.